Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can scroll two buffer contents simultaneously in two popular editor, Vim and Emacs. Okay, to show you the demonstration how to scroll two buffers content simultaneously. Okay, to give you a demonstration, let me spawn up a terminal. Moving to a designated place, let us zoom in so people can see. So first I'll start with Vim. V is the alias to Vim, and you have to give -O, which will allow you to open the file in two separate buffer horizontally side by side. Sorry, vertically side by side. Okay, I have some random file where I'm sitting right now, and let me open it. Okay, so both the files are open in two different buffer, right? And I wanted to scroll both the buffer simultaneously, content simultaneously. At this moment it is not happening. If I show you, see, it is only scrolling where the cursor is, right? So all I have to do, go to the ex prompt and write set scroll bind. You see, I have written in the ex prompt, look at the bottom of the screen, set scroll bind on the left hand side buffer. If I press enter, it is set. Okay, now I move over to the right hand side buffer, Control W, move me to the right hand side buffer. Now if I do again the same thing, set scroll bind, now I have set scroll bind in both the buffers, right? So if I started to move, see, it started to move both the content, both the buffer content simultaneously, right? You are seeing the effect, right? So this way you can say, if you open two file in Vim and wanted to scroll both the buffer content, all you have to do, you need to go to the ex prompt and write set scroll bind, which will allow you to scroll both the buffer content at once, okay, simultaneously. Okay, so this is the Vim part. Okay, now if I wanted to show you about the Emacs, how you could do so, let me spawn up my Emacs client, moving to a designated place. Let us zoom in a little bit. So again, let me open up the files, and so now you can see I have opened file in two buffer, okay, side by side. But if I started to scroll, it will not scroll, right, simultaneously. To scroll the content of two buffer inside Emacs, you need to go to the Emacs prompt, and all you have to type scroll all mode. Okay, scroll all mode, and press enter. You can look at the bottom of the screen at the echo area, it's been enabled, right? Now if I started to scroll in one buffer, the other will also started to scroll. See, both the content of the buffer are scrolling, right? You're seeing the effect, right? I'm scrolling both the buffers simultaneously. See, scrolling both the buffer. Okay, So to set uh, scroll to set scroll all mode in Emacs will help you to scroll both the buffer content, both the Windows content simultaneously. Okay, so this has become very handy if both the files are very long and you want to go through both the file content at once while opening side by side. You could easily do so. It will help. Okay, it will save time and it will help. So I have shown you how you could do the same thing in Vim, and now I am showing you how you could do the same thing in Emacs. Hopefully these things will help and speed up your productivity. Thanks for watching.